Hey guys, welcome to the video. So this video is going to be the first unboxing video of my channel. So please don't mind the bad quality. Okay, right here I have a WD Blue SN-570 NVMe SSD and this is a 250 GB model as you can see. Previously I was using a SSD which was around 120 GB which was a 2.5-inch drive. So after using it for around more than 4 years I guess, I thought I should just switch because it had a very small capacity. So I thought I should just upgrade my hard drive. Okay, and this is the only suitable SSD that I can afford right now, so I just thought I should just buy it. So let's start with our unboxing. So in here we have our SSD and a simple booklet. Taking out our SSD, as we can see that it has a very small form factor, okay, which is great. So this is my CPU. As you can see in the right corner, there's my SSD, old SSD. And let me show you where we will be putting our new SSD. So there is our slot right over here. As you can see, different sizes of SSD can be installed in here. So after installing the SSD, this is how it looks right now. Moving on to our PC, let me show you what you will have to do. Okay, right click on this PC, click on manage option, and then in the left panel go to storage and disk management, and there all the disk drive that are connected on your computer will be listed. From there all you have to do is to just find your new SSD, which will be listed somewhere down below. As you can see, right click on it, click on new simple volume and follow these steps. Click on next, then again next, once again next and next. That's it. After this you will need a software called Disk Genius. The link of that software will be available in the description. You can download it from over there. After downloading the software, follow these simple steps to install the software and launch it. After launching the software, as you can see the layout, in the upper right panel, all our disk drive will be listed. As you can see, the old SSD that I had is also listed over here, which is named SanDisk SSD plus 120 GB. And at the bottom of our list, we have our WD Blue SSD. Here, all you have to do is to just click and select your old SSD and select the OS migration option that will be available on the top. So from over here, you will have to select the target disk. Our target disk over here is our new SSD, which is WD Blue SN-570. Okay, we will click on it and select it and then click OK. A warning message will appear. You will have to just click OK. That's it. So this is the main screen. Over here you will have to set partition size on your targeted disk so that the OS that you are trying to migrate from the other drive can easily be migrated into the new drive with all the available space. After selecting your partition, all you have to do is to just click on the start button below and click on OK. And after that, two options will be displayed. We have to click on the first option, hot migration. That's it. And now all you have to do is to just wait for the migration to be completed. After the OS migration is completed, it will ask you to restart your PC. Just click on the yes button and restart your computer. After restarting, as you can see over here, we have our old SSD, okay, which is almost full, and our new SSD as the main system drive. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and please do like, share and subscribe. See you next time.